Paulie Gee from Flavors of New York, and I'm here to check out Mother's Milk Coconut Water Cocktails. I'm here with Kristie Kish of Mother's Milk Coconut Water Cocktails, and she's going to tell you all about her concoction.
So my best friend and I, born and raised in New York, we were partying together for the past 10 years. And as we got older, we were feeling so gross and so sick of all the sugary BS, all the sugary cocktails, the seltzers, this and that. I bartended throughout my 20s, and the more I drank and the more I partied, I created a drinking remedy that me and my best friend just drank all the time. Clean ingredients, wellness driven, no added BS, vegan, gluten-free, just coconut water, vodka, mint, and shiso. The original recipe was made with the cold pressed Vita Coco, which is like a really milky, creamy, sweet coconut water. So delicious. And then you add some vodka in there. My mouth is watering.
Sounds like you've changed it.
We did. We changed it to be less, it's not cold pressed, the coconut water we use. However, the coconut water we use is sourced from the Philippines. I'm a Filipina, and we kind of keep that fact. It's important to our story.
Would you have this at a Filipino breakfast?
Absolutely.
You didn't think
Absolutely.
I knew about Filipino
I drink it any time of the day.
Very
especially
good.
in a hot summer day. It's amazing.
Like today, even though it's spring.
Yes, super hydrating, so it really gives you that
Great.
natural electrolyte.
Am I going to get to try this?
Absolutely. Glad you asked.
Let's go. What do we have here? This whole thing.
Yeah, this is a fresh coconut filled with mother's milk, coconut water, vodka, mint, and shiso leaf.
And what's this outside thing?
This is the coconut. It's a fresh coconut.
This is on a coconut?
Absolutely,
I
yes.
never knew that a
It's
coconut looked
shaved.
like this.
I cracked it open myself.
This is great. Now, I gotta taste this.
Give it a try. It's pretty boozy. Natural electrolytes.
Oh boy, I like this. You know, we have this drink, a Paulie Colada. I think we could do a collaboration colada.
Let's do it.
Really, a little bit of almond flavor.
Yes.
A little natural pineapple. Can you get natural pineapple juice?
Of course.
Add that to it. Paulie Colada.
Love it.
Let's head to Paulie Gee's and
Let's do it.
see you at the collaboration.
See you at the collab.
I'm Paulie Gee of Flavors of New York.
And I'm Kristie Kish with Drink Mother's Milk.
Ciao for now.